Okay, mi gente, my people, my beautiful people. Let's get started with this onion soup recipe. When I tell you this soup is delicious, it's delicious, guys. So first, I cut up, I think it was like 4 onions and sliced them up as you could see. And I added a little bit of olive oil to the pan. And now we are going to cook these slowly on medium low. I just added a little bit of salt to them, a little bit of black pepper. Y'all know I like my black pepper, garlic black pepper. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. I added like a pinch, as you can see, like a teaspoon of sugar. I fresh thyme, some bay leaf. And the reason why I added a little bit of sugar to it, it's just gonna come together so well with the rest of the ingredient, and also helps with that sweetness of the onions, guys. When I tell you this stuff is good, it is good, guys. So here, guys, while we are cooking these onions and giving it some love, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, guys, what are you waiting? What are you waiting? Hit that subscribe button and that like button, and also that bell icon that is going to let you know every time I upload a new video, so you could get what, guys? So you could get what? That front seat, okay? All right. So here, as you can see, I added a little bit of beef bouillon to my onions, and I'm going to continue to cook these slowly. As you can see, they are getting brown and nice and sweet and just nice caramelization, okay? Just nice, nice. So here I added about 4 cloves, already mashed, of fresh garlic. Yes, y'all know I like my garlic. Yeah, know I like my garlic, okay? And guys, the whole time I'm cooking this on medium low and giving it some love, give it some patience. I'm telling you, you want those onions nice and caramelized, and I'm telling you, it's gonna give this soup like such a good flavor, such a good flavor. I really enjoy this soup. When I tell you, because it's been some cold days here in Texas, all right? This soup, when I tell you I enjoyed it, like, I was watching a movie and eating it, and, those type of soup that you enjoy, and you cut it up in the sofa, and then you watching that movie and you eating your soup. Oh my God, it was just so fulfilling and so delicious, and I enjoyed the movie and the soup, and guess what? Afterwards, I fell asleep. It was really good. So as you can see, guys, I removed some of the onions, and then I kept a few in the pan to caramelize it more. Here I had some not old, but from the day before, some garlic bread. Then now it's kind of hard. We're going to be using that, and you're going to see, okay? You're going to see. Give me a second. So now I'm deglazing my pan. Yes, you guessed, guys, some red wine, and guess what? Some brandy, okay? A little bit of brandy. I would say about 2 tablespoons of brandy, and about a quarter cup of the red wine, some good red wine, okay, guys? All right. And here I added the bread. Now, the bread not only is going to make it thick, as you can see, you're going to see the process. You're going to see the process. So it all depends how thick you want the soup. All right. And if you don't like your onion soup thick, you don't even have to add bread to it. But that bread not only makes it thick, but guys, it gives it that nice, rich texture and flavor and all of that. So I went ahead, added water, okay, because I used the powdered beef bouillon. But if you have beef bouillon already, that comes in the container already prepared, then instead of water, of course, that's what you're gonna add. All right, guys. All right. As you can see, I had a little bit of that olive oil in the pan. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay. We halfway there, guys. We are halfway there. Look at that. Look at that color. We're gonna be cooking this for another, I would say, and the whole time, guys, I'm cooking this soup in medium low. Okay, you want to give it some love. You want to give it some love. So I went ahead, added some more water. I rinse out that blender. We don't want to waste nothing. Okay, we don't want to waste none of the flavors. And as you can see, I stir it. Again, it's on medium low. Do not put it on high. Medium low. Give it some love. So right now I am going to taste it and decide if I want a little bit of anything. I decided I want a little bit more wine to it. Okay? But you go ahead and a little bit more of brandy. I'm telling you, those two combinations right there are going to get that. Listen. And guys, listen, if kids are going to eat this and stuff, you don't have to worry about it because you had the flavor, but you're not, the heat kills the alcohol contents. All right. It kills the alcohol contents. So here I am slicing some French bread, but you could use any bread that you like of your preference. I'm cutting them almost like in an angle, so it could be nice. And I'm telling you that bread. And here I'm using a little bit on salted butter. And now I'm going to put some cheese. I added a blend of mozzarella and Marojak cheese. But this one is the start right there. You see that right there? Those are Parmesan shave. And when I tell you that stuff is delicious, it is delicious. All right. So we're going to bake these in the oven while we are finishing our soup. And you remember the onions that I separated? Now we're going to add those to the soup because, every bite you get out of that soup, you want to have a piece of that caramelized onion. Whew, I'm telling you, those things were tasty. And then in the top, you're going to see I went ahead and garnished on top of it with some more of those. And here, guys, this is it. I put that bread in there. And then I added a little bit more cheese and put the whole container in the oven. And guys, I did it on medium broil. I literally like for a minute and a half. And this is my final result right here. Ooh, guys, I'm telling you, this was nothing but goodness all in here. Okay. The glory came down and oh my God, I really enjoy it. So go ahead, guys, give this recipe a try. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Look at that right there. Look at that. That was delicious. I'm telling you, every spoonful was delicious. All right, guys. Thank you again for stopping by. And I will see you on the next recipe. Have a wonderful day.